Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear student, secondary one. Welcome back to complete chemistry course. Today we'll complete the difference between acid and bases. We know that acid and bases used in many industries, like acid in fertilizer, explosive, in medicine, in plastics, and the car batteries. Okay, while bases used in soap, detergents, dyes, medicines, as we'll see in figures. Okay, now we know that there are some products in its composition, acids and bases, like citrus plants, in which citric acid or ascorbic acid, dairy products, in which lactic acid, soft drink, carbonic acid and phosphoric acid. Some products as bases used in its composition, bases. Soap, in which in its composition, sodium hydroxide, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, washing soda, hydrated sodium carbonate. Okay. Now, what the properties of acid and bases? General properties of acid and bases. We know that the acid have sour taste, while bases have bitter and slippery taste. Acid change litmus paper into red, while base change litmus paper into blue. And bases react with acid to form salt and water. That reaction called neutralization reaction. Now, activity of acids. The acid react with metals and react with carbonate or bicarbonate. Acid metal with acid, the metal, if it more active than hydrogen of acid, it will replace it to form salts and evolve hydrogen gas, as we see in the following reaction. Zinc with hydrochloric acid. Zinc more active than hydrogen, so it can replace hydrogen to form zinc chloride and evolve hydrogen gas with pop sour. You know the chemical activity series, from which we will know the activity of metal, which is more active than hydrogen or less active than hydrogen. Carbonate or bicarbonate, when interacting with acid, it forms salt and evolve two gases, water vapor and carbon dioxide, as we see in the following reaction. Sodium carbonate with sulfuric acid produces sodium sulfate and water carbon dioxide gas. Now, some theories define acid and base, like Arrhenius theory, Pronosted-Lowry theory, Lewis theory. Arrhenius theory defines acid and bases as we know from previous studies. Acid, when it dissolves in water, produces positive hydrogen ion, while bases, when dissolved in water, produces negative hydroxide ion. So both of them are good conductor of electricity due to presence of ions. Okay. As we see, HCl, hydrochloric acid, when it dissolves in water, ionizes into positive hydrogen and negative chloride, while sodium hydroxide, when dissolved in water, producing positive sodium ion and negative hydroxide ion. Positive hydrogen ion is responsible for change litmus paper into red, while negative hydroxide ion change litmus paper into blue. Second theory, Pronosted-Lowry theory, which states that Pronosted-Lowry acid is substance that donate the proton. Pronosted-Lowry base, substance that accept proton hydrogen positive ion. Proton mean positive hydrogen ion. So Pronosted-Lowry acid, proton donor or positive hydrogen ion donor, while Pronosted-Lowry base, proton acceptor or positive hydrogen ion acceptor, as in the following reaction: water with ammonia, Water is called acid because it donate positive hydrogen ion, while ammonia is called base because it accept a proton or accept a positive hydrogen ion. Water changes to negative hydroxide ion, while ammonia changes to ammonium ion. Water, which is acid, converted into conjugated acid. Acid, sorry. Water, which is acid, changes to conjugated base, while base changes to conjugated acid. Okay? Now, what's the conjugated acid and the conjugated base? Conjugated base, which is substance which is formed when the acid loses a proton, while conjugated acid, substance which is formed when the base accepts a proton. Now, last theory, Lewis theory, which defines Lewis acid and the Lewis base. Lewis acid substance that accepts lone pair. Substance accept lone pair, while Lewis base substance donate lone pair of electron. And in the following application, hydrogen with fluoride ion. Positive hydrogen ion haven't any electron but have empty orbital, while fluoride ion haven't orbital but have lone pair of electron. Fluoride ion donate a lone pair of electron, and hydrogen positive ion accept lone pair of electron from fluoride ion. So positive hydrogen ion called Lewis acid because it accepts a lone pair of electron, while fluoride ion donate a lone pair of electron, so it's called negative fluoride ions. Okay? Summary is arrhenius acid, substance dissolved in water producing negative positive hydrogen ion, while Lewis base, substance dissolved in water producing negative hydroxide ion. Okay? While pronostic acid, substance donate positive hydrogen ion, while pronostic base, substance that accept proton positive hydrogen ion. Lewis acid and the Lewis base, substance that accept a lone pair or more, while base, substance that donate a lone pair of electron or more. Thank you. Goodbye, students.